Alright, welcome back to another video. In the previous lecture, we saw how to set up our Vue project using the Vue CLI. We have our project running in the local server. We also saw how to set up our Firebase app, and we also added two collections. One is of matches and one is of teams. So the team collection has its document IDs as custom IDs, and matches have auto IDs. So now let's add Skeleton to our app. So Skeleton is a CSS library similar to Bootstrap. So this will help me in reducing the effort for styling. And if I save it and go back, we can see that the font has changed. So this is due to Skeleton, all right? I want to go to app.vue and remove all the content in here. Come back and save. I'll have a blank slate. So in this lecture, what we'll try to do is we'll try to get today's matches. So in our website, I want to have two sections. The first section should have the list of all the matches that are going to happen today. And below that section, I want to have all the teams list, and the users who visit our website should be able to vote on each team as well as on the match. Alright, so first let's focus on today's match. So we can get today's match by using the Firestore's filter methods. So inside each document of this matches collection, we have this property called as date. And inside this date property, we have a particular format. So we have day, month, and year format. So first let's try to get that format for today's date. So inside the app.vue, we can have a script, and inside script, we can say created, and we can say console log new date. So now if I go back, so this is the format which we're getting our date in. So we don't want that format. So we're going to create a new object, new variable that says date object, and another variable that says today. And for today, we'll say date object dot first get date plus hyphen get month, and since month we need +1, and we also need to wrap this part inside number. So the data will be passed on to a number. Then date object dot get full year. Alright, now we can console log this. And if I go back, I'm getting the format. I just forgot the hyphen here. Alright, so day, month, and year. Day, month, and year. So the format is right. So now what I need to do is I need to fetch the data as per this date. So for that, what I can do is I can say Firebase. I guess I need to import Firebase first. Alright, Firebase dot Firestore dot collection of matches. And for filtering, we can use a dot where property, and inside dot where date, and it also accepts two more parameters, and the last parameter is today dot get. Then so what we're going to get is an array, right? So for this array, we can say doc dot for each, and inside this array we're going to get the match, console.log match.data. So what's happening here is inside the Firestore collection, we are filtering with the property date. So we have this date, right? Such that the date property is equals to today's date. Then those documents which match the criteria are fetched using the Firestore's get method. Then we are console logging the data. So if I save and go back, we get this. So looks like there is only one match today. Let's confirm that. So we can go into our daily matches, and if I go to today's date, there is only one match. So this is working. So we need to display this onto our template. So first let's create a div with a h1, and let's also create a data property. And inside the data property, let's create a property called as today's matches, and let's have it as an array. So what we can do is for each match, let's store this match inside the today's matches. So for that, we can say variable vm equal to this. Push match. So with this, I'm pushing the match object onto today's matches. So in order to understand Vue fundamentals much better, you can go through the course. The link is in the description below. You can check it out. And for this div, what we can do is we can say v4 match and index in today's matches. Let's also have a property of key. And inside this, what we can do is we can display the information of the match. So let's say we have a h2 tag with match of team, another h2 tag with a match of team 2. Let's have few paragraph tags. One paragraph tag will have the match of venue, and the second paragraph tag will have match dot time. So if I save it and go back, okay, I'm not getting anything. Okay, so the reason why we're not getting anything is we are sending in match here. We need to send match dot data. So if I save it and go back, we are getting the data. So we have the team A and the team B, the venue and the time. So this is how you fetch today's matches. So we can style it as we want. So let's give it a small styling. With a little bit of styling, it should look something like this. Obviously, you can style a lot better than me. I just don't want to spend so much time on styling this as of now. So I've also added 2 buttons for voting. So the user can click the button and they can vote for their favorite team. We'll look into how to save the data for each vote in the next lecture. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do subscribe to the channel and share the video if it helped you. And I'll see you in the next one.